When we created Patch Tarot, we saw it as a living archetypal organism. We knew that the more we practiced and experienced these archetypes, our understanding would evolve too. And so the cards could be subject to change over time, as all things do. Since we launched the original deck, we have grown so much, and now the cards have also evolved as a result. The changes we've made are fundamentally game-changing.
Our desire with Patch Tarot was to make the highest quality of cards we possibly could, and continue to push the limits of that quality, so that every new edition of Patch Tarot feels like a brand new experience entirely, but retains the spirit and intentions of the original version. With this new deck, the physical cards themselves have been made stronger and more durable, going from 300 to 340 GSM and printed on a black core stock. This gives you a thicker card and is less susceptible to warping. Then we reduced the card size by about 10 millimeters on each side, making it easier to shuffle the cards. On the card fronts, we've entirely redesigned the borders as well. So even though the cards are slightly smaller, the images are actually bigger, giving more attention to the card's vibrant artwork and symbology. Along with this, the cards are now printed at 1200 DPI, with 4 times more resolution than they had previously, making it easier to enjoy all the intricate details on each card.
The imagery of the tarot is incredibly ancient and deeply profound. And that's why when designing these cards, we were very careful to reference and research the oldest meanings we could and merge them together with our modern imagery to produce the most relevant understanding of each archetype. What we've found is that the cards themselves tell our story, and as we worked with them, it revealed a powerful truth about who we are and led us to make several changes to the cards themselves. The biggest change is the shifting of the Fool into the Child, whose number also shifted from 0 to 0 and 1 together, making the symbol for Phi. This was done to mark the beginning of the new age of awareness and the revelation that all of us are on this journey of discovery together, and that we are not fools, but merely children. Children learn, grow, and have all manner of life experiences, and this is the story being told by the tarot. We've also maintained the change of the reversal of the Emperor and the Empress, which balances the masculine and feminine dynamic in the first 4 cards of the major arcana, aligning the Empress with the Hebrew letter He, which is the principle of femininity, and describes that the Hierophant, the wise master and birth of Christ consciousness, comes through the divine feminine. With this new edition of Patch Tarot, there are enough major updates here that it has become an entirely refreshed and new experience, taking the tarot one more massive leap away from the old paradigm and into the 21st century, yet honoring with reverence all of the lessons and wisdom of our ancestors. A new age is upon us, and this deck is a mark in the timeline of Earth's history to show it. Patch Tarot, come as a child. Thank you for all of the lessons.